Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video would tell you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and we have got few of the remote work from home job opportunities wherein you can apply. So the very first job opportunity is for SDIT roles. So the experience level is a senior SDIT 3, and this is remote job opportunity. The experience required is 5 to 9 years. So the role one is SDIT 3. They are looking for someone who is having strong hands-on experience in Java, automation testing, Python, and ability to build robust and scalable test automation frameworks. Then SDIT 3 again for Python, PyTest, AWS, NoSQL, cache, queues. So expertise is required with respect to AWS services, NoSQL, and a strong backend automation testing background is required. So you can drop your resume at this email address. Then there's a requirement at LTIMINDTREE, and they are going to have a walk-in drive in the Coimbatore location, and it will be face-to-face. The date is 9th of August. The timings are 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Location is Coimbatore, and these are the two skill sets that they are looking for. One is Java, Selenium, and API, 3 to 12 years, and another is mobile automation with APM, 3 to 12 years, and this is the email address. Then there's a requirement for freshers, and the role is for entry level freshers. Location is Chennai, work from office. Eligibility is fresh graduates, 2023, 2024, 25 passed outs are preferred. Background in BA, BCom, BBA, BSc, non-ID streams are welcomed, and you have to mention this as a subject line, and you have to send your resume to this email address. Then there is a requirement for QA automation engineers at PayPay India, and they are looking for the QA automation who can do the automation across web, mobile, and APIs, and collaborate closely with the developers and product teams to ensure a smooth, bug-free experience for the users. And they are looking for 4+ years of quality assurance experience, hands-on with Selenium, APM, and rest assured, and automation scripting in Java, SQL, or C Sharp. And you can apply to this particular link. So I'll be putting this link in the description as well as in the comment section of the video. Then there's a requirement for QA automation engineer, remote job opportunity. The experience is 7+ years. Notice period is immediate joiner or 15 days, and it's an evening shift role, 5:30 p.m. to 2:30 a.m. It's a work from home job opportunity, and you can share your resume at this email address. Then there's a requirement for automation tester Tosca. It's a remote job opportunity for immediate joiners only, and the candidate should be from Mumbai, so he can or she can visit client's office, and experience is 5+ years. Mandatory skills is automation tools, Tosca itself, that is mandatory, web automation, end-to-end testing, database testing, PDF document automation. These all things would be required. Then there's a weekend drive that is coming on Saturday at Gurgaon location for the following position: data engineer, automation tester, .NET FSD, Java FSD, Java Spring Boot, React.js, and you can send your profile to this email address along with the job number and the skill set. Then there is a requirement for performance test engineers. Again, it is remote. Laptop pickup required from Bangalore or Chandigarh office, and the experience required is 5 to 15 years. And you can share your resume at this email address, or this is the contact number wherein you can share. So these are a few of the details for the software testers, job opportunities for software testers, freshers, as well as experience. So you can apply for these particular opportunities today itself. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.